Affiliate marketing. Welcome to the Mind Museum, where we explore the depths of the human mind and the world around us. Today, we'll be talking about one of the most lucrative ways to make money online: affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way for people to make money by promoting other people's products or services. You earn a commission on every sale that you refer. It's a win-win situation for both the product owner and the affiliate. You might be wondering how to get started in affiliate marketing. The first thing you need to do is find a product or service that you believe in and that you're passionate about. There are many ways to find products to promote, including researching products online, talking to friends and family, and joining affiliate networks. Affiliate networks are platforms that connect affiliates with product owners. They provide all the tools and resources you need to promote products effectively. Once you've found a product to promote, you need to create content that will attract people to that product. This can include blog posts, videos, social media posts, and email marketing campaigns. Social media is a great way to promote products because it's easy to share and it has a wide reach. You can use platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn to reach your target audience. As you promote products, you'll start to earn commissions on every sale that you refer. It's important to track your earnings and adjust your marketing strategies as needed. With affiliate marketing, you have the potential to earn a significant income from the comfort of your own home. It's a great way to turn your passion into a profitable business. That's it for today's video on affiliate marketing. If you're interested in learning more about this topic or exploring other topics related to the human mind and the world around us, be sure to subscribe to the Mind Museum channel. Thanks for watching.